Hey guys, it's Travis. I'm just an average guy with average tools. Or am I? Today I'd like to introduce you to my new Ridgid 18-volt cordless combo kit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This particular combo kit comes with an Orbital Sander, a trim router, and a jig saw. Let's get in a little bit more detail. The jigsaw comes with the jigsaw body itself, the blade, and a dust collection port. The main features I like are the dust collection port, the adjustable orbital motion cutting, the variable cutting angle, the blade release lever, the lock on button, LED grip light, variable speed dial with line start. And there's a switch for blower or vacuum mode, and it also uses T-shank blades. Some of the features that made me buy this over other saws were the fact that it's cordless, and I already have a bunch of these batteries. There's a dust port, it has quick change blades, and it has a more aggressive orbital cutting motion and a lifetime warranty. Moving on to the router. The router comes with the router motor, comes with a round and square base, dust collection port, comes with an edge guide, collet wrench, and a roundover bit. Some of the main features I like are the variable speed, the 1/4-inch collet lock, micro depth adjustment with a 0 reset, safety power switch, quick release lever and motor release lever, and the depth scale. Some of the features that made me buy this router over other routers are the fact that it has batteries that I already have and it's cordless, comes with a dust port, and the lifetime warranty. Moving on to the sander. Sander comes with the sander itself, the dust collection bag, and 2 80 grit sanding discs. The main features I like about this sander are the soft start, the hook and loop sanding discs, dust extraction port, and the variable speed adjustment. Some of the features that made me buy this over other sanders are the fact that it's cordless and I have a bunch of these batteries, the dust port, and the lifetime warranty. Well, that's it. I gotta go. I gotta make something cool with these new tools for my next video. Speaking of my next video, don't forget to subscribe and comment and tell me what you think about these new tools. See ya.